Okay, hello guys, welcome to Chemicast. So today I'm going to start a new topic that is basically a little bit mathematics, so how to draw a plot. So let me tell you one first thing that your JAM examination is over and result have also come. So there are many such viva coming ahead, like just like ISC, ISER, and they basically ask you some ask you to plot some very simple function. They will ask you to plot this. So that's why I'm doing this. Okay. So let me first write the topic. Okay. So at first here we will discuss about some very simple geometrical character, just like straight line or some parabola like that, and then we will take some example from our known chemistry, and then we will extrapolate our knowledge to draw this one. Okay. So for draw a straight line, we know the basic straight line equation is like y is equals to mx plus c. Okay, where m is a slope that is basically equals to tan theta. So theta is tan inverse m. So knowing the m, we can tell the slope of that is the angle he makes with x-axis. Okay, so this is m, and c. What is c? That is the intercept with y-axis. Okay, so if you draw a general plot, that will give you basic. That is, this part is c. That is your y. This is your x, and the slope that will be m. Okay. So let me take some examples from chemistry. Okay. You all know about Boyle's law, that is V versus T. Sorry, Boyle's law, Charles' law, that is V versus T. That is because you can write it at V is equals to Kt, where K is constant. So basically it will give a straight line if we draw a plot between V versus T, with a slope is equals to K, and M is equals to, here is K, and C is 0. So there is no intercept, it will be going through origin. So let me draw, that is V, it's T. Okay. There is a common practice to show the slope like draw a triangle. Okay? That's why I am doing this. So let me take another one. Basically, you know the Charles law is the common form is V is equals to Vt is equals to V0 1 plus T by 273. Okay. It is volume at temperature T. V0 is the volume at 273 degrees Celsius, that is your absolute temperature. So if we draw the plot between Vt versus T, it will give us a straight line. How? We can write it as Vt is equals to V0 by V0 by 273 T. So we are drawing this plot between this and this will be our intercept. Okay, and this will be our slope. So if we draw this, it will give us straight line with intercept V0 and the slope V0 by 273. Okay. So let me draw a plot of exponential. Exponential function are a very good function. So let me take one function fx that is equals to a e to the power minus x or a e to the power x. So to draw this, what we have to know? That is, we have to know the value of function in some points, just like at x is equals to 0. If we take this function, okay, at x equals to 0, function x is going to be a e to the power 0, that is equals to a. At x is equals to infinity, okay, fx is going to be a e to the power minus infinity, that is equals to 0. And at x is equals to minus infinity, fx is going to be a e to the power minus infinity, that is a e to the power infinity, that is actually infinity. Okay, so at 0 it is giving you a constant value a, at infinity it is giving you 0, and at minus infinity it is giving you infinity. So if we plot this in accordance with our getting value, so at 0 it is going to give you a, at infinity is going to give you 0, almost 0, okay. And at minus infinity is going to be infinity, that is fx, or rather you can say it as y, and this is x, okay. So if we draw the same this plot in the same coordinate axis, what will happen? So let me just write this function with respect to this x point. At x equals to 0, fx is again going to be a, because e to the power 0 is coming, and at infinity it will going to give you a e to the power infinity, so it will be infinity. But at x equals to minus infinity, it is going to give you a e to the power minus infinity. That means it will become 0. Okay. So at x equals to 0, it is giving a. At x equals to infinity, it is going to give you infinity, and at x equals to minus infinity, it is going to give you 0. So if you draw the plot in same way, then at 0 it is going to give you a, and at infinity it is going to give you infinity. That means infinity, and at minus infinity it is going to give you 0. Okay, so this is the plot for a e to the power minus e to the power x, and this is for a e to the power minus x. Okay, so let me take some examples from our chemistry. How can we relate this? I think you know about barometric distribution. Barometric distribution basically gives you the dependency of height on pressure. Okay, so if your pressure pH at altitude h is pH, then it will be P0 exponential to the power minus mgh by RT. Okay, and pH I told you already that it is the pressure at H. This is pressure at sea level. Okay, and M mass of the gas, and G is the acceleration due to gravity, H is the height, R is the universal gas constant, and T is temperature. So if someone asks you to draw a plot between pH with T, okay, or with with 1 by T or with H. So let me draw you first the P versus H plot. Versus H. So basically this part MGRT, okay, this part is constant for drawing H constant at a given temperature, and this is also a constant. So this function is basically behaving like y is equals to a to the power minus x, where a is p0 and this is basically ax basically, okay, sorry, some constant px. So at x equals to 0, at h is equals to 0, if pH will be p0 because this part going to be 1, and at h tends to infinity, that means higher, right? This is going to be e to the power minus infinity, that is 0, and pH will be 0. Okay. So what will happen? It will come from a p0. Okay. This. One more example. You know about chemical kinetics. This is a fast order reaction. Okay, A to B. Fast order. Then AT, what will be AT? That will be A0 A to the power minus KT, where K is rate constant for fast order reaction. You know this, I am not going to do the mathematics how I am deriving this. I am just taking it, I just want to draw the plot between AT, that is concentration, versus time plot. Okay. So this is also a normal exponential function. AT versus T. At time is equals to 0, AT will be A0. So this is my A0. And at time goes, it will decrease, and at infinite time it will be 0. Then it will become like this, okay? So basically I don't want to lengthen my video, that's why I am going to stop here. I'll come up with some of my videos later on, okay? Thank you. And one more thing, that is please like, comment and share among your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe.